Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a card from Apple Pay. We will also put a link in the description below for deals on various iPhone accessories. To start, open the Wallet app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see all your saved debit and credit cards on Apple Pay. Tap the card you wish to remove. Then, you will see the card you have selected. At the upper right corner of the screen, you will see 3 horizontal dots. Tap on the 3 horizontal dots. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Card Details. Tap on Card Details. Here you will see details about your card. Scroll down a little. At the bottom part of the screen, you will see an option that says Remove Card. Tap on Remove Card. Lastly, you will see a message that says removing this card will also remove your transaction history. To continue, tap on Remove. That's how you remove a card from Apple Pay. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.